Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm Kenny Swope here with the Global Product Data Interoperability Summit 2021, Day 2. I'd like to welcome you to our series of webinars this week, Data Readiness in a New Age of Digital Collaboration. Just a quick reminder and a few opening comments, and then we'll get started with today's agenda. Just as a reminder, we are recording these sessions so that we can have this available after the summit and get these great comments from you and the speakers. Before we get started, I would like to thank our sponsors. We're very fortunate to have a very robust set of sponsors for this year, and just like to give a shout out to Vertex Software for sponsoring us this year in the Platinum role. If you're an industrial participant watching today's webinar, your registration was paid for by Vertex, and many thanks for them for providing that. In addition, we have sponsorship at the gold, silver, and bronze level. Sodius Willert, gold sponsor. Many thanks for them for that level of sponsorship. And at the silver sponsor award, Dassault Systems, ITI, Wipro Company, Jotny, and NLIGN. So many thanks to each of you for sponsoring at that silver category. And then finally, the bronze sponsorship award at Kubotech 3D. So many thanks to you for that generous sponsorship for our event this week. Also, I'd like to thank our planning team. Our planning team has worked all year and really earnestly here in the last few months to bring you this series of webinars this week. And many thanks to everyone who has contributed to that. You can see here some great names in the PLM space and industrial data space supporting us for today's event. Just a look at the week. We just concluded yesterday a great conversation on DevOps. I hope you had a chance to participate in that and see that. Today we will be talking model-based systems engineering, a very exciting subject. Mark and Lily will be facilitating as track leaders today's remarks. And then tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, you can see we continue the conversation with CAM-SC, emergent technology, and 3D MBD. So it's really an exciting agenda for the week, and hope you get a chance to participate in all of the events. Today, Mark and Lily will have a great lineup of speakers, and you can see here our agenda. We have a couple of breaks planned to give us plenty of time to refresh, recharge, and dig right back into the conversation. I will come back actually today. Annalise Suzuki, who is on one of our panelists here from Elysium, will wrap up our session today. So you'll see there at the end with some closing comments and our agenda for tomorrow. So with that, I'd like to again thank you for participating today and look forward to some really rich technical discussions. And Mark?